Hello friends, good morning. This is Bhavesh and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about Indian Standard, how you can download the Indian Standard. Basically, why do I need to make this video? Basically, what happened when we get admission in any college, as a study material, we are given some book written by any author. What happened whenever any author writes any book, then based on his experience, let's assume ki suppose it is 2020 and I as an experienced person want to write a book on practical aspect or as well as theory aspect. Then what I will do, when I started my career, from there to till date or maybe earlier year, maybe 2019 till year, that 2019 whatever I learned during my practical experience or theoretical knowledge, that I will add everything in that book and I will publish in after 3 or 4 years. So there is a gap of at least 3 to 4 years. So during this gap, if any amendment is there, any new kind of technology is developed and it is released in a market, then it is not covered in this book. This is basically a problem with this book. That's why if you want to refer or if you want to get accurate information, see, we are working in a fire and safety professional. So assume if you are working anywhere in India, then you have noticed that either in a college or any kind of industry, you are visiting any mall, any shopping mall, any theater, anything. So you will find that there is the same diameter of hydrant, hose reel hose, everything is a fixed diameter. Either you are working in your factory or you are going to somewhere to attend any call or any kind of shopping mall, anywhere you will find the same diameter of hose reel hose, the hose, the branches, the hydrant wall, everything is same. Why? Because of we required an accurate system. That accurate system, if you want to know, then you need to refer a standard only. You cannot refer or you should not refer any author's book. So this is my personal opinion ki if you want to get accurate information, authentic information, then you must refer standards. There are various standards. If you are working in India, then you need to refer Indian standard, as well as there are certain other government rules and regulations are also there. You can refer the Factories Act, other legislation related to environment. Suppose if you are working in oil and gas industry, then you can refer OISD code also. So there are couple of things, couple of standards and rules, regulation, legislative part, so you can refer and you can get accurate and authentic information. That is from my end. So today I am going to tell you about the how you can download the Indian standard. See, there are two different methods. One method is that whenever you are searching any Indian standard on a Google, then from one of the website, that is archive.org website. So whenever you are downloading that PDF na, so it is basically a old version, an old version. If you want to know or if you want to get the latest version, then there is a different method, there is a different website, and you can only download from that website only the latest edition. The problem is that whenever, sorry, whenever you are trying to downloading, there will be a pop-up message. There is a issue of copyright. It is a property of government of India, so you cannot share with anyone, either in the form of hard copy or in the form of soft copy. It is only for your own purpose and only for academic purpose. That is you cannot use this standard for the commercial purpose. If you are using any kind of commercial purpose, then there is a possibility of legal action by government of India. So it is strictly prohibited to share this Indian standard in any kind of form. Either it may be a soft copy or it may be a hard copy. So this is the brief overview of Indian standard. Now I am going to tell you how you can download the Indian standard from that website. So I will not take much more time. So let's start the another part of this video. Hello friends, so now I am going to tell you how you can download the Indian standard from the website. On the screen you are seeing a Google search engine. So first you need to go open any browser in your PC and go to Google search engine. So this is your step 1. Now we are moving to step 2. On the screen you are seeing I have already entered the website in the URL box. You need to type the URL in your URL box manually, and I have mentioned this. The website is standardsvis.bsbage.com and slash. This is the website. So you will enter, and now we are moving to step 3. So in this step 3, you will see this is the home page of the this website from where you can download the Indian standard. Now you are seeing on screen there are two options. One option is about login and another option is about register. Now if you are visiting the first time on this website, then you need to register your mail ID, your name, your address, like this information. This is the basic information, and you need to create your account. And suppose if you have already registered on this website, then you need to directly log into this website. Now I have already registered with this website, so I will use the login option. So now we are moving to step 4. I have clicked on the login button. So this is how this screen will look. Already registered, then you need to enter your mail ID, your password, and the captcha code, which is for security reason. And after that you will click on the login button. So till now we have seen the step 4. Now we are moving to step 5. Right after the login, this will be your home page, and it will mention your login ID or your name. My name is registered as a login ID, that's why it is showing Bhavesh Bhavsar. And the right side of it there is a logout button, as well as on the left side it is showing my account. Okay, so this is about step number 5. Now along with this step 5, you are seeing there are two search boxes just below of it. One is at left side and another one is at right side. And in this standard, in this search boxes, one example is already given, like IS1. So there are two method, and I will show you both the method, how you can download the code by using this two method. Now we are moving to step 6, and I have mentioned enter the IS code number. If you remember or if you know any standard number, then you can manually enter the number. For example, I have taken the number IS 15105. I am not writing the IS, but I am directly writing the 15105. So in the pop-up it is showing BIS IS 15105 double dot 2002. Right, so this is the one of the method how you should move ahead. Now we are moving to step 7. On the screen you are seeing a particular single result, and on the left side you are seeing a red circle in which I have mentioned IS 15105 2002 reaffirm in 2017. And the right side there are two another option. One is status active, and the just beside of it another option is about download PDF free version. So from here, by clicking on the download button, you can download this standard. This is the latest edition. Now we are moving to again step 6. And if you do not remember any standard number, then you can enter the keyword. Like if you want to download any code related to sprinkler, you can manually enter the sprinkler word. For example, I have taken this sprinkler. You can enter about hydrant, then different type of branch, nozzle, sprinkler, spray, mist, fire extinguisher. Whatever keyword you will enter, you will get the related result on the screen. Now we are moving to again step 7. As I have entered in step 6 sprinkler word. So sprinkler is related to fire as well as agriculture. So in the search result you will find the different IS code which has the sprinkler word. So on the first result you are seeing ISO 6182 part 7 2004, and it was reaffirmed in 2018. So since this IS code was released in 2004 and it is still now it is same, that's why it is mentioned reaffirmed in 2018. It is about fire protection automatic sprinkler system for ESFR, early separation fast response type sprinkler. And just on the right side of this box you will see status active, and there are another two option: price within India 680 rupees and price outside India 6800 rupees. And just below of it you are seeing one cart. So from there you can purchase this standard. There are, I need to clarify one thing, that several IS codes are not available in the soft copy, or you cannot download these standards. Okay, then you need to purchase. And if the option is showing download PDF free, then definitely you can download. Now you can see the another or second search result. You will see IS 9972 2002, and on the right side option there are again two options: status it is showing active, and another option is download PDF. While the on the search result 3 there is another standard, but in the status area it is showing withdrawn, so there is no option to download. So this is also for your information: if the government of India has withdrawn the Indian standard, then there will not be any option to download the Indian standard. Now I am taking further example of three another standard. This is IS 15105, 16088, and 16534 2017 edition. And on the right side I have combinedly marked in all these three standard download PDF, all three options, so you can download these standards. Now we are moving to step number 8. On the right side you are seeing download PDF free, so I have clicked on this PDF free button. That's why it has a slightly different color. So now we are moving to step number 9. It is about read disclaimer. Okay, so this is for your information: you will not share these standards either by in the soft copy form or in the copy or in the hard copy. It is only for non-commercial purpose only, so you will use this standard only for your use. Do not share with your any of friend. Yes, you can share this video how they can download. This is for your their reference, and they will come to know what is the exactly method to download the Indian standard. But never share with never share this standard, or once you have downloaded the standard, never share with anyone either in the form of soft or in the form of hard copy. So here further steps are: you need to disclaimer, then enter captcha code, and there is a checkbox of I agree to the terms and condition. You can refer the terms and condition also. You just check tick mark the box, and the last option is download. As you will click on the download option, the process of downloading the standard will be automatically start, and it will be download, and it will be saved to your PC or laptop. And after that you can use the standard for your knowledge. So I hope I have mentioned the entire process how you can download. I hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and let them also download the code and standards by the Indian government, and this is going to enhance their knowledge. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you.